Industry Ready Production, psbeats.com. Make your purchase now.
To get some, cause you know I'ma put it in my song. I'm about to get some, hell yeah. And you know I gotta put it in my song. I wanna take this shit right to the club. Hell yeah, so you can make it rain on her butt. Make it rain on her butt. Make it rain on her butt. Yeah, she gonna make me bust a nut. Hell yeah, and I'm gonna live it up. Cause you know this what I do. Always chillin' with some crews. Cause you know this beats that will make me sound cruel. Hell fucking yes, and if they did that work for me. Cause you know this motherfucker's living San Diego shit all day and every night. Never really giving a fuck. Cause you know my style's so sick, so I gotta stay up on the grind. And I be rapping all day. Cause you know I love to get paid. Even if I haven't gotten the first check, I'm still gonna do this. Cause you know I love to check. Hell yeah, I love to check my bank account. Cause you know my money be going all around. And if you don't like it, then you could come around and check for yourself. Cause you know if you make me snap, I will just go to a jail cell. And you know this what I do. Always chillin' with some crews. Cause you know everybody has to hear the crew. Has to hear the crew sound of my voice, motherfuckers like this. You got to hear the noise all day and every night. Gotta take this shit to the club. Hell yeah, make it rain right on her butt. Make it rain right on her butt. And if you make me snap, I empty the clip on your face. Cause you know this is my race. Mexican till the day you hit the grave. Never really give it a fuck. Cause you know I get paid. And I empty the gun all day and every night. This is what the fuck I do. Yeah, always sipping with the crew. Smoking the blunts till your high feels cool. Yeah, and this is what I do. Yeah, this is what I do. Taking this shit to every fucking club. Take it to the city where you hear me in your ears. Yeah, I just got here, but I'ma stay to every meal, to every fucking show. Cause you know my shit is gonna be bumping on your car. You gonna listen to it and you're gonna be like, for sure. Hell yeah, just take it to the show. Cause it's what we do. Always sipping with the crew. Smoking all the blunts that make your high feel cool. Hell yeah, make your high feel cool. Sipping blunts, yeah, that's what we do. Sipping with the crew. Making this shit go to every club in San Diego, in LA, Miami, or wherever it is that you stay. Yeah, you know you love to get paid, and you know you like to have all them sickest cars. Hell yeah, we gon' do this shit and we gon' take it to the top. And if you hating, all you gon' do is get some scars. Yeah, and all I fucking get is scars. All I get is bitches.